Yo, we here. Did I say that with enough chest? Here. Still holding the lows. Yes, still holding 69. All right, having some camera issues here. Being weird. It's being a little weird. Let's see here. Let me try one more time to get it to get on here. Let's move this over here for a second. Trying to get the camera fixed. I don't know what the deal is. It shows me up there. Nope. It's still not working. What up, Ruwan? May have to roll with no camera. I don't know. May have to roll with no camera. What up, Sovereignty? Let me check one thing right quick. Zoc in the house. Zoc. Zoch. Zoch. Dun, 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 dun. Do we push into the close here? I don't really know. Kind of seems like that's what it wants to happen. Kind of hard day. Blue one, TPT, but other one green. Kind of a similar result for me. Sort of a similar result. We've gotten some of our losses back. I have no idea why this thing is not working. What is going on here? All right, let me try just unplugging the camera, plugging it back up. Sometimes a good old cycle of power. A good old power cycle does the trick. You guys ever had that work? The old plug and unplug. The cycle of power. Let's see if that does it. No, that didn't do it. It's still saying that the camera is busy. The source camera is busy. The cycle of power, no work. All right, I'm going to try one more thing, and then I'm just not going to worry about it anymore. I'm going to try one more thing, and then we're not going to worry about it. Hey, Sunny Smiles. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Max is barking. Maybe I could do this. Hold on one second. Let's do this. I'm going to try one thing here. And then I'll do this. Oh, man, this thing's leaving without me. 813, 814. Do I take this? All right, we'll take a little stab long here. Max whimpering over here, of course. All right, guys, we're just going to have to roll with no camera this afternoon. No camera. It's all right. Make it unbusy. Yeah, it needs a vacation. Make sure to blow on it and call it good boy, and it will work. It didn't work. Tech T in the house. ICT, what up? SNT, high or low? Up or down? What do you mean? $901.75. Yeah, seems fine. Oh, NQ going up, ES going down. Yeah. Yeah, small SMT at these highs. I see what you're talking about there. I like to use them at the extremes, though, but I do see what you speak of. That could bring us down for sure. It could. Oh, 01. I'll put the stop where it needs to be. Stop at 0150 here. Just look for the breakthrough. Equal highs up here at 2150. They are right next to each other, though. We are just past the 3:30 time as well. Let's kind of zoom out. Look at the big picture here. Zoom out. We still got that 732 area down there. Came so close to. Kind of in a wedge here, getting tighter and tighter. Gonna probably break out one way or the other. He is near. What up, fish lips? Oh, he is near. What am I in here? What account am I in? Oh, there it is. I was like, what? I didn't even see the account anywhere. It's because it was at the bottom. All right, see if we get some expansion higher here. Nice little push. See if ES can get back above that 77 level there, or at least test it. If it'll test that 77, we should push through. If you guys want to enter the giveaway, exclamation point cash in the chat. Cash. Just cash. Thinking maybe a 30 area push, maybe. We are long here. I'll probably go stop to break even at 21. Stop to break even at the 21 here. I don't know if I'll take it off or not when ES hits the 77. So stop to break even at 21. Prepare the offerings. We're still 13 minutes away. I'm not preparing yet, design. Not yet. Still 13 minutes away. I've got nothing to prepare yet. I may just re-enter. Oh, TOS. I don't have TOS. But thank you, though. I don't have it. Lux Algo, it keeps up with it. That's kind of cool. Yeah, I do just look at it myself. Just look at it. So doing some work today on the red accounts. Working some of them back to green, as you can see here. Just got these 3 left that are red. So it started off today red 3, 350, 600, you know. Yeah, it makes sense, ICT. Those who have not prepared will be sacrificed. I'll re-enter this if it pulls back. I'll re-enter. I just don't want to let it go back red. A little pullback here. Doing okay, Mr. Lunary. How you doing? All right, I'm going to buy here again. See if we can hold this level. Stop needs to be at 801.75. 801.75 for the stop. Look out below, Ponzi. Every time Ponzi comes in here, we push down. Oh, life's all good. Enjoying life. Left that wick up there. Do we add here? Do we dare? Man, do we dare add? Nah, I'm not going to add. Still going to look for that run through 30. Stop to break even at 21, I believe. Makes sense here. And again, I'm watching the ES here for a 77 test. Can we go to the moon? Through 21, I want to see expansion. Through 21, I'd like to see expansion. Right into the 30 would be ideal. I think it's could get a little goofy there though at the 21, 22 area, I guess. 24 maybe. The easy target would really be 24 here. See if we can push through there. We'll lock some in here because I'll add on a pullback. It could hold up here at the 24. I don't want it to, but it could. Locking in 10 points basically. All right, we'll take it. We'll take it down 103. Again, looking at the 5 minute there, it's kind of like you're hitting the body of the candle there. So you get a little bit of a pullback there would be kind of a expected. I just didn't want to hold through the pullback, to be honest. I did not want to hold through the pullback. So if I don't want to hold, I'm not going to hold. If I don't feel like I want to hold, I'm not going to hold. Yes, also hit the 77, by the way. Retest of the 50 EMA, stopped out plus 10. Let's go. Let's go. Nice call. Nice call. Called it too, Zach. Let's go. NVIDIA wave goodbye, Mr. Ponzi. Mr. Ponzi is a perma bear. Mr. Ponzi, are you a perma bear over there? Perma bear. Nothing wrong with it if you are. could re-enter here with a stop at like 16 or something. Could re-enter. Trump's busy now. Really small stop loss here can be had. So I'm going to try it. Could wait for confirmation, but, you know, why do that? What up, Mo? Five-point stop loss here. Oh, well. Let's wait for the confirmation this time. Mine's pretty good, Mo. Pretty good. Just go for the gold. That's right. Who needs patience? Mine's pretty good, though. Not bad. We were red in basically every account, and then we were able to flip them back green, so... Got a couple of them still green, are still red, but... Murder bot in 5 minutes. 5 minutes on the bot of murder. The bot of murder. I'm in, guys. I'm in. I'm in here. I'm in. Going to be in. We're in 3. We're going to be in 3 here. Stop quickly to break even here. Quickly to break even. Come on. Get it up there. Get it up there. Murder bot in 3 minutes. That's rude. The thing is, like, you know it wants it. 5 minutes, you're scared. Hold me. Oh, manic day down 700, up 400, down 2,000, up 500. Holy cow, Mo. Holy cow. How's this not go? I mean, I just think it goes. Goodbye. All right, let's see here. I'm probably just going to long here with a very tight stop. I'm going to be a little bit aggressive this afternoon. Let's see. Got about 2 minutes here, 3 minutes until the murder bot. Big egg donkey candle still close. It might. Smoke in the distance, glass shattering, screams of children. Oh, classic. Classic. Oh, let's go, Mo. Nice job. There will be blood. There might be. There might be. We got a very tight stop. Do I take a chance here and just add with this 2 3-point stop? Just full port here. I mean, it makes sense, right? And we got a small stop as well. Hey yo, hey yo. Did we get that one back to break even? Did we? Wait a second. How do we only? We're still down $200. All right, I don't know how we did that. Gamble the last 10 minutes. Knew in your blood it was going to be short, but didn't take it. Yeah. Up or down for the murder bot? I have no idea. Let's look at it and see what we think right quick. Oh. I mean, we kind of have trend line liquidity here to the downside. Kind of have the trend line liquidity to the downside. So 15 seconds. Boom! Just that fast, guys. On to the next. 7-2. Did you guys blink? I hope you didn't blink. I hope you did not blink. Yes, rejecting hard there off of that. Oh, inside bar too, man. 19 would have been the entry off the inside bar. Too late, really, to just jump in. Yeah, got that account back to green. Now we're on to the next. Got 2 more to try to get 15 points out of, or either 3 lots for 5 points. One or the other. You took it live? Let's go. Oh. You were short? All right, let me see here. If we get a pushback up off the... I mean, the inside bar really already paid. It paid 15. I don't know. Tricky to get in here. I could take this on like 1. Let's just see if we can push into the 90. We'll go stop to break even at 800. See if it can't just push through there. Stops in. We got 3 minutes until the 55 candle. Yeah, it's all right. I mean, this wick down here should get ran at 88. Kind of annoying, but maybe. Do we leave equal lows down here? Looks like we did. $801. Equal lows are down there, 801. What's the other account number here so I can... 37372. No, that's the one I'm in. 8238. Come on. SMT with the Russell. What is this? 8238. You left equal lows down here. I'm thinking that the this 855 takes us back through there. Sometimes it likes to front run it, like on the 54 candle though. But if it doesn't, I can't really. I need to just, if I eat this loss, I just eat it. Eight, 2, 3, 8. Come on. Oh. Come on, rip it down there. Yeah, Nick, it is. Through that low there, through those equal lows, got to put the stop in. So, oh, no need. There we go. Eight, 2, 3, 8. I got to find a 5 points on 8, 2, 3, 8 now. Erased my week with a Trump talk on that 310 candle. Oh, that sucks. Loot. Your short finger's getting trigger happy. I mean, we got this wick down here that looks... We left that liquidity down there at 732 also. I mean, ES breaks the 69 here. This thing could really waterfall. It really could. If we lose the 90, I might just jump in for a quick 5. Try it. But I don't really want to go 3 minis. I'm going to be honest. But I will. Price later went up and hit your front. Yeah, dude, that's crazy. I was not here to see that 310. The dumpage right here, I'm assuming you're talking. Is that... The thing is, like, we've picky booed below before on the ES here, and then just ripped back up. Let's see if it wants to stay in this range or not going into close. Stephanie fell down the well. Yeah. Max is over there with a little oof, something. Might be trading London until the cash and the accounts is rebalanced. Yeah. Guys, exclamation point cash in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway. Kind of been holding this level all day. I actually do think, and I feel like, you know, when we start to run this trend line liquidity, you'd think we'd run it all, but this push is trying to say otherwise. Yeah, still holding that 69. I could 10-point stop here for the longs. I don't know. Tough for me to say right here what's going to happen. I don't really know. I would tend to lean down, but it may be one of those. Might be one of those where it doesn't do it until after close, like yesterday. Remember yesterday we started dumping after close there? See what happens in this final minute. The last 2 days anyway, inflation was brought up, and today the market reacts. Yeah. I mean, I do think if we lose this 90, be quick down to 89, or, well, that didn't make sense. Maybe that wick down there at 76. Trying to give it a moment. But we're going to look for another trade. Another scary trade for sure. Don't want to do anything stupid though. All right, final minute here. Let's wait and see who's winning here at the 30-second mark. So far, bears are opening up with the win. Final 30 seconds. Let's see. Bulls trying to take control. Can they? Watching this candle. Let's go. Let's go. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Oh, man. Pretty good end of day comeback there. We got this thing still in a trade or something? What's going on here? Grossed realized. Okay, realized. Okay, never mind. I was like, what? Why is this red? Is that strange? Shouldn't that be green? I don't know. Should that be green? Total P&L is green. So we're green. We brought all of these accounts back from the dead. They were all three. All seven were $350 to $600 in the red. So this account's $13 in the red. I'm tempted to just take just a little. What could go wrong? Just kidding. Just kidding. I'm not even doing that. I'm not even going to try that. Hey, 7550 subscribers. Let's go, guys and girls. Thank you. So let's see kind of what happens here at close. Oh, Loot, does that mess with you at all? Does that mess with anybody else? Like when you see green and then boom, you got that one that's $13 in the red. It's kind of a little bit annoying, right? So full port Friday after dark. Why does this show red here though? I'm curious. I don't know. What's the deal there? Anybody know? You did that yesterday? Yeah, I'm not doing it, Nikita. So that's what I'm telling you guys. Like I'm tempted to. I'm tempted, but let me show you something. Boom. Not doing it. Not doing it. Not today. Not today. We did also get the Bulenox funded account back to green today. And then the My Funded Futures funded account is also green. So only ended up with one red account. Pretty solid. Did what we could. Mo's like, do it. What could go wrong? Oh, you lost 300? Yo, the like button. Let's do it. All right, guys, let's do the giveaway here. Everybody in, exclamation point cash. I'm going to give you 1 minute and 15 seconds. You got to get in there. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Free Apex any size eval. I kind of expect us to run down to this because, like, once you start running trendline liquidity, once you start running this, it's not perfect, but you have 3 or 4 taps. Once you start running that, you typically don't stop until you run it all. So I would fully expect that 75 area to get hit. Yes, losing the 69 as well, yeah. See, guys, I could have done it. I could have done it there. You're down 3K, which erased your week. Yeah, man, I'm telling you, loot, that's like, sucks, man, so bad. I've had that happen to me a lot. But I've had that happen a lot. All right. 15 seconds in the giveaway. Exclamation point, Kosh. Let's go, ICT. Thank you. Charles, we need an exclamation point in front of that cash. There you go. You got it. Neo squeezing in below the deadline. Always late. Neo, late to the party as always. Aaron and RPG joining the late party. All right, here we go, guys. We're going to draw. Marbra trying to get in there. That's the last one. Closing the entries. Drum roll, please. Drum roll, please. Wait, that's a terrible drum roll. Let me do it on the desk. Max is looking at me like, what? The winner is Stargazer. LHM, I'm sorry, you just missed the entry. Stargazer. Are you here, Stargazer? Stargazer in the house somewhere. Let me try to @ Stargazer. Stargazer is here. Oh, there's Stargazer. Let's go. Stargazer, you won a Apex any size evaluation. It can be a 25K. It can be a 300K. It's up to you. Send me an email now, if you would, at methodicalman@gmail.com quickly so I can get you verified. And we get your code sent over to you right now. You still got time to blow that account before the market closes for the weekend, Stargazer, or pass it. It's up to you. I can't choose which way you decide to go with it. It's one or the other. There's still time. There's still time, says Max. I don't know if there'll be enough room to room to even full port. I got a voicemail. The final review department. See you, fish lips. You know, someone that likes the low a day? Yeah, me too. That's me. The futures desk is doing 60% off resets. Also, my code MMM should be working now. Yeah, Mo, I'll be back Sunday night. Every night, Sunday night at open, I'm here. Every week, Sunday night at open. Kid Poker? Yeah, I don't know where Kid Poker is. I haven't seen him in a couple of days. They said the schedule is finalized. Trying to see what time. Where is... What's my time? 10:30 a.m. Saturday. Okay. At least it won't be hot. Pouring down rain's not pouring down rain here. It's hot here. Good old idiot box. Did Star send me an email yet? All right, let me check out my baseball schedule. I wonder if it did it change at all. I don't know. Have to compare it to the other ones. Oh, Outlook's not working. Yeah, just send it on anything, Star. It doesn't matter. Any email that you want. Already thinking ahead. The range in the lower half, the opening and landing range is valuable. Yeah. Stargazer said you could have it, Mo. All right. Sorry, Stargazer. Mo just took over your giveaway. He said, I shall take it. Oh. Yeah, I'd like to go fishing full time. Where are you at full time? I don't even remember. I know you're somewhere in Florida, right? Fishing trip would be fun. I get a little sick out there in the ocean, though. Oh, you're in Alabama? We're at in Alabama. Inside bar after the close here on the 5-minute. Central Alabama. Big bass. Yeah, Zach, my friend is like that. He loves topwater fishing. All right, Mo, we'll see you later. What's Jay up to today, guys? Anybody watching Jay? Thanks, David. Appreciate you. Bass and stripers. Yeah. Me too. I mean, it's active fishing for sure. Bass and striper. Nice. You could short this 5-minute inside bar, but I mean, I do think we run that 775 area. What's the stop on this inside bar? I mean, it's not very much. 10 points. Might be worth a shot, Stargazer, if you get the account in time. Might be worth a shot. Short here. Stop here. Target here. Here, let me mark it out for you. Target. Short. Stop. Oh. Have a good one. All right, appreciate you, Charles. What?
You want to fight? Because why do you have my propel?
I'm streaming, bro.
I don't care. You took my propel.
Sunday I get on at 5:45 p.m. Eastern. Ooh, it's breaking to the upside, so no longer would be a short. Unless it turns into a wick eater. My daughter's over here questioning why I'm drinking her Propel water.
Those are for school, bro.
I mean, hey, I had to.
You're on a diet. They're not good for you.
You're fine. You're fine.
They make your diet.
Stargazer, I got the email. What is the first letter? All right, let's do this. What's the last letter in your email? The last letter in your email. All right, let me find the how come I can't find? Here we go. Star has won. Ding, 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 ding. All right, Stargazer, here is your code sent in real time. There you go. There's your code. Remember, any size you want. Any size you want there. Yeah, full time. That'd be fine. All right, guys. I appreciate you guys. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Remember, everyone, Take Profit Trader is going to be doing away with that sale on Sunday. I think it's Sunday, or is it Saturday? One of them. I don't even know. Let me see how many sales I even need on Take Profit Trader to get to the giveaway. We should be like right there at it, unless we didn't sell anything today. We sold some, so let's see how close we are. We are, yeah, we're like 7 sales away from being able to do 2 50K test account giveaway. So maybe we can hit that over the weekend. But that's how close we are. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll be back Sunday, 5:45 a.m. 5:45 p.m. Eastern. Appreciate you guys watching. Enjoy your weekend. We will probably be dropping some sort of back testing video as well this weekend. Look for that. We might be live. Who knows? But appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you next time.